If you're looking for the perfect boat that's going to be easy to own or operate and easy to maintain, this would be a great option. This is the 29 SDX from Sea Ray, and it packs a great punch for its size. Come check it out. Welcome aboard Sea Ray's 29 SDX. She features a gorgeous quantum blue color and is powered by twin 250 V8 engines, and it has a joystick. Sea deck all throughout the boat, and a gorgeous stone color upholstery, plus this really neat feature which is like a drop-down platform that makes getting on and off the boat or loading your scuba equipment even easier. Gorgeous loungers on the aft so you can relax and watch the sunset, and plenty of seating throughout the boat as well. So on this 29, she features ample storage underneath the loungers, and she also has a built-in cooler, so you don't have to get up and come into the cockpit area. Once you're in the cockpit area though, you do have a slide-out cooler that pulls out from there, and tons of storage underneath all of these seats. One thing that I'd love to mention is that they're all hinged as well, so no fumbling around with cushions while you're trying to get something on or off the boat. You have a nice sink right over here, and this is a great area to prep your cocktails while you're anchored out. Built-in trash compartment as well. And another thing that I love is that you have seats that can face forward or aft, so that way you and your guests can totally be part of the same conversation. If you have a low bridge, that's not a problem. This tower is actually powered and actuated down, so that way you can lower it and get a smaller clearance as well. Plus, best part of the boat for me is that everything is at your fingertips. You have the Mercury vessel view display, so you can see all of your engine diagnostics and data. Plus you have a nice chart plotter and a depth sounder as well. And of course, the joystick that makes you look like a superstar. Another really nice feature that everyone asked for, a head. Check out this nicely appointed head that Sea Ray offers on this 29. Plus, you do have, of course, a very ample seating area forward at the bow with windlass anchor and a washdown as well. So if you'd like any more information on this boat or any one of our boats, my name is Joannie Machine at MarineMax Pompano. Give us a call at 305-316-0627. See you out on the water.